Our top story this noon, new developments in the case against a Tampa mother accused of killing her two teenage children in 2011. Laura Harris was inside the courtroom this morning as Julie Schenecker went before a judge. Laura, was there a big decision in court today?
Well, the big question, Dia, this morning was, would the state be able to seek the death penalty against Julie Schenecker, who, by the way, has been charged with 2 counts of first-degree murder? Well, by the end of that hour-and-a-half proceeding, the answer was yes.
In light of the fact that the Florida Supreme Court has found our death penalty statute and death penalty scheme to be constitutional.
52-year-old Julie Schenecker sat quietly in front of Judge Emmett Battles, the only sound coming from her side of the table, the occasional noise from her shackled hands and ankles. Even taking the chance to occasionally glance back at her mom and dad sitting just one bench behind her in the courtroom.
Which car?
Schenecker is accused of killing her children, 13-year-old Bo and his 16-year-old sister Calyx, in their new Tampa home, January 28, 2011. A call from a concerned out-of-state relative prompted Tampa police to make a trip to the house, where they made that horrific discovery early that morning. Also decided in today's hearing, would testimony from a neighbor be allowed in the trial set to start in April? The defense hoping to have the neighbor's remarks thrown out. That neighbor claiming Schenecker said, "I want to kill her," in regards to her daughter a couple months before the murders. The state acknowledging at the time leading up to the murders, both Calyx and Bo were displaying behavioral issues that were mounting.
Now, the fact that this defendant makes this statement well in advance of the murder, it also could go to the issue of sanity, that this is something that is already in her mind, that she's already thinking about it.
In the end, the judge said he would allow such testimony as well.
The state has made the case that it is relative and probative on the issues of premeditation, motive, and intent, and the relationship between the defendant and the victim.
It was also made clear in the courtroom today, Colonel Parker Schenecker, the father of those 2 teens, he is still undergoing pretrial interviews right now. They're hoping those will be over by next week. All of this nearly 3 years to the day his 2 teens were murdered. This trial is set to start April 28th. Live at the Hillsborough County Courthouse, Laura Harris, ABC Action News.